Hey guys, so in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to add a WhatsApp link to your Instagram bio, because I see a lot of businesses put their number out there for people to type and people are too busy for that, and most times you might lose that sale. So what you want to do is go to your edit profile, and the only place where you can put your WhatsApp link is your website. We're going to click here and type wa.me/ your country code without the plus sign. Now if you're in Ghana, you're going to do +233 20618047. But if you're in Nigeria or anywhere else, 234 8120 and the rest of your number, right? That's it. I'm going to complete this so that I can show you where it goes. Okay, in case you haven't seen my other tutorials, you want to make sure to check them out. I have tutorials on how to set up quick replies on WhatsApp, how to use and create labels in WhatsApp Business in order to make more sales. Go check them out, guys, and also how to make beautiful graphics designs for your business. Now let's click on done and see where this goes. Okay, now we have it and we're going to click on it. Okay, and we are on WhatsApp, and this is how easy it will be for your clients to send you a message when they see something they like on your page. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, kindly let me know. Give me a thumbs up down below and drop a comment. And also don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials that you need. Bye.